Our eyes, often called the windows to our souls, reveal more than just our emotions. They also possess a unique and captivating feature: their color. From the deep brown eyes that seem to hold ancient wisdom to the piercing blue eyes that sparkle with mischief, eye color adds a fascinating dimension to human diversity. But have you ever wondered what determines this striking characteristic and how it came to be? Join me on a journey into the science behind eye color, where we'll unravel the mysteries hidden within the iris. Eye color is not merely an aesthetic trait, it plays a crucial role in our visual perception of the world, influencing how our eyes react to light and perceive colors. Moreover, it forms an integral part of our identity, shaping how we see ourselves and how others perceive us. Throughout history, different eye colors have been attributed to various personality traits and cultural beliefs. While these associations are often based on folklore and superstition, they highlight the profound impact eye color has on human perception and social interaction. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve into the scientific basis of eye color, exploring the fascinating interplay of genetics, pigmentation, and light that gives rise to this captivating human feature. To understand the origins of eye color, we must first turn our attention to the iris, the colorful ring that surrounds the pupil. The iris is a fascinating structure that not only contributes to the beauty of our eyes, but also plays a crucial role in our vision. The iris is not just a pretty facade, it's a complex structure with a vital role in controlling the amount of light entering the eye. This control is essential for maintaining optimal vision in different lighting conditions, whether it's bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. Like the diaphragm in a camera, the iris adjusts the size of the pupil, allowing us to see clearly in varying light conditions. This adjustment is a continuous process, happening so seamlessly that we often take it for granted. The iris is composed of several layers, each contributing to its overall structure and function. These layers work together to ensure that the iris can perform its duties effectively. The outermost layer, known as the anterior stroma, gives the iris its distinctive texture and appearance. This layer is what we typically notice when we look into someone's eyes, and it can vary greatly from person to person. Beneath this layer lies the iris stroma, which contains pigment cells called melanocytes. These cells are crucial for determining the color of our eyes. These cells produce melanin, the pigment responsible for giving our skin, hair, and eyes their color. Melanin production is a complex process influenced by various factors, including genetics and environmental exposure. The amount and distribution of melanin within the iris stroma determine the color of our eyes. This distribution can create a wide range of eye colors, from the darkest browns to the lightest blues. Higher melanin concentrations result in darker eye colors, while lower concentrations lead to lighter shades. This variation is what gives each person their unique eye color, making our eyes one of the most distinctive features of our appearance. This variation in melanin production is influenced by a complex interplay of genetic factors, which we'll explore in more detail later. These genetic factors can be inherited from our parents and can sometimes result in surprising eye color combinations within families. The iris also contains muscles that control the size of the pupil. These muscles are essential for regulating the amount of light that enters the eye, ensuring that we can see clearly in different lighting conditions. These muscles, known as the dilator and sphincter pupillae, work in tandem to regulate the amount of light reaching the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye. The dilator muscle expands the pupil in low light, while the sphincter muscle contracts it in bright light. The iris, therefore, is not just a colorful disc, but a dynamic and essential component of our visual system. Its ability to adjust the pupil size is crucial for protecting the retina from damage caused by excessive light exposure. Its intricate structure and function highlight the remarkable complexity of the human eye. The iris is a testament to the incredible design of our visual system, showcasing how various elements work together to create the gift of sight. Melanin, the pigment responsible for coloring our skin, hair, and eyes, is the true artist behind the captivating spectrum of eye colors. This remarkable pigment is produced by specialized cells known as melanocytes, which are found in various parts of our body, including the iris of our eyes. The presence and concentration of melanin in the iris determine the color of our eyes, ranging from the darkest brown to the lightest blue. Produced by these specialized cells called melanocytes, melanin comes in two primary forms: eumelanin and pheomelanin. Each type of melanin has distinct properties and contributes differently to the coloration of our eyes. Eumelanin is the more common type and is responsible for darker shades, while pheomelanin contributes to lighter and more varied hues. Melanin, the most common type of melanin, is a brown-black pigment that absorbs most wavelengths of light. This absorption of light is what gives melanin its dark color, and it plays a crucial role in protecting our eyes from harmful UV radiation. The higher the concentration of melanin in the iris, the darker the eye color will be. It's the dominant pigment in brown eyes, giving them their characteristic dark hue. Brown eyes are the most common eye color worldwide, and their rich, deep color is a direct result of high melanin levels. This pigment not only defines the color, but also provides a protective barrier against the sun's rays. The more melanin present in the iris, the darker the brown color. Variations in the amount of melanin can lead to different shades of brown, from light amber to almost black. This variation is a testament to the complexity and beauty of melanin's role in eye coloration. Pheomelanin, on the other hand, is a reddish-yellow pigment that absorbs light differently, giving a reddish or yellowish tinge. This type of melanin is less common than melanin and is often found in smaller quantities. However, its presence can significantly influence the overall color of the eyes, especially in lighter eye colors. It's found in smaller amounts than melanin and is more prevalent in individuals with lighter skin and hair color. Pheomelanin is responsible for the red and yellow hues seen in lighter eye colors, and its interplay with melanin can create a wide range of eye colors from green to hazel. The interplay between these two types of melanin, along with the scattering of light within the iris, creates the stunning diversity of eye colors we see in humans. This complex interaction is what makes each person's eye color unique, as the specific combination and distribution of melanin and pheomelanin vary from individual to individual. While brown eyes primarily result from high melanin concentrations, other eye colors such as blue, green, and hazel arise from a complex interplay of factors including lower melanin levels and light scattering. Blue eyes, for example, have very little melanin, and their color is primarily due to the scattering of light, similar to the way the sky appears blue. Melanin production is influenced by genetic factors, explaining why eye color tends to run in families. Genes inherited from our parents determine the type and amount of melanin produced in our eyes. This genetic inheritance is why siblings often have similar eye colors, although variations can still occur. However, environmental factors, such as exposure to sunlight, can also play a role in melanin production, particularly in individuals with lighter eye colors. Prolonged exposure to sunlight can increase melanin production, potentially darkening the eye color over time. This adaptive response helps protect the eyes from UV damage. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into how varying concentrations and distributions of melanin contribute to the formation of different eye colors. We'll explore the genetic mechanisms behind melanin production, the environmental influences that can alter eye color, and the fascinating ways in which melanin shapes the unique and beautiful spectrum of human eye colors. Brown, the most common eye color worldwide, is a testament to the power of melanin. This pigment, which is responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes, plays a crucial role in determining the hue of our irises. The story of brown eyes is a fascinating journey through biology, geography, and evolution. Individuals with brown eyes have a high concentration of melanin in their iris stroma. Melanin is a type of melanin that is brown-black in color, and its presence in the iris is what gives brown eyes their rich, deep color. This abundance of brown-black pigment absorbs a significant amount of light, resulting in the characteristic dark brown color. The more melanin present, the darker the eyes appear, creating a spectrum of brown shades. The shade of brown can vary depending on the precise amount and distribution of melanin. Some people may have eyes that are almost black, while others have lighter brown eyes with hints of amber or gold. This variation is due to the complex interplay of genetics and light scattering. Some individuals may have almost black eyes due to extremely high melanin levels, while others may have lighter brown eyes with a hint of amber or gold, depending on the interplay of melanin and light scattering. The unique combination of these factors creates a beautiful array of brown eye shades, each with its own distinct character. Brown eyes are more prevalent in regions with high levels of ultraviolet radiation, such as Africa, Asia, and Latin America. This prevalence is not a coincidence, but rather a result of evolutionary adaptation. This prevalence suggests a link between melanin and protection from the sun's harmful rays. Melanin's ability to absorb ultraviolet radiation helps shield the eyes from damage, making it a vital component in regions with intense sunlight. Melanin acts as a natural sunscreen, absorbing ultraviolet radiation and protecting the sensitive structures within the eye. This protective function is crucial in preventing conditions such as cataracts and other UV-induced eye damage. In regions with lower ultraviolet radiation such as Northern Europe, brown eyes are less common, and lighter eye colors such as blue and green are more prevalent. This distribution highlights the role of environmental factors in shaping human traits over generations. This geographical distribution of eye color suggests that melanin levels may have evolved in response to environmental factors, providing a survival advantage in different parts of the world. The adaptation to varying levels of sunlight has led to a diverse range of eye colors, each suited to its environment. Brown eyes, therefore, are not merely a result of pigment accumulation, but a reflection of human adaptation and the interplay between genetics and environment. The story of brown eyes is a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of human evolution, showcasing how our bodies have adapted to the world around us in remarkable ways.